Hey everyone, I'm Ryan. Today, we're building something awesome. Drowning in unread emails, especially when you're trying to keep up with specific topics like AI tools, is a massive time sink. By the end of this video, you'll have an N8N workflow that automatically summarizes your AI-related emails and extracts all those shiny new tools, so you can stop scrolling and start doing. Alright, let's cut to the chase and get this done. Open up N8N, create a brand new workflow. Boom, fresh canvas. Now, don't waste time, just grab that JSON file I've linked below and import it right in. That's your starting line. First up, triggers. You've got two options, a manual click for testing, super handy, right? And then the real MVP, a schedule trigger. I've got mine set for every morning at 10 a.m. Next, we're getting dates. Two date and time nodes. The first one snags today's date, easy. The second, we're taking today, subtracting one day to get yesterday's date. Give it a quick run just to make sure those dates are looking good. Now for the good stuff. Gmail. This node is going to dive into your inbox, pull the 50 most recent unread messages you've received since yesterday. That's how we keep it fresh, relevant, and only what you need. Execute it, see those emails flow in. Time to bring in the big guns. AI. We need to feed all these emails to our LLM in one neat package. So drop in a code node to stitch all those email bodies into a single string. Clean input, clean output. Then set up your AI agent. I'm rolling with Gemini Chat for this one. Give it crystal clear system instructions. Hey, summarize this email, and by the way, find me all the AI tools mentioned. And here's the kicker, add an output parser. That's how you guarantee structured, beautiful output every single time. Run it. See all those AI insights come back. Perfect. Now we need to split it out. Use the split out node to turn that single output into individual items for each summary and tool list. And finally, the end game. Google Sheets. Connect your sheet. Make sure your column headers, things like email summary, AI tools mentioned, perfectly match what your AI agent is spitting out. Hook up that Google Sheet connection. Now, lean back and fire it up. Watch your emails get summarized, tools extracted, and everything neatly logged automatically. That's how you dominate your inbox. This entire workflow is powered by Vibelets. We're building the tools to automate your creative process so you can focus on what matters most.